Hey, it's Brandon. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Beaver Builder into your WordPress website. So you're going to head over to wpbeaverbuilder.com and go into the account menu and log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to go into the account menu and go to Downloads and Orders. And now you're going to come down to the Beaver Builder plugin, Pro version here, and click the download link there. And you're also going to make note of your license key. So go ahead and give that a copy. Okay, now I've got the Beaver Builder Pro plugin downloaded, and I'm going to come over to my website here. I'll go into the Plugins, Add New menu, and I'm going to click the Upload plugin and choose my file. Go into the downloads and find the Beaver Builder Pro plugin. It's usually called bb-plugin-pro.zip. Click the Install Now. In just a couple seconds, you'll have the uploaded plugin, and you'll click Activate Plugin. Now that you've got it uploaded and active, you're going to want to put in your license key so you get updates and support directly into your WordPress install. You'll save the license key, and you're good to go.